see, what is a solar panel? Our sun is the source of all life on earth, making solar energy useful to us in many different ways. A solar panel system is used on the rooftops of homes, businesses, in farming, in industries, and many more areas due to its environmental and financial benefits. Why is the cleaning of solar panels needed? Solar panels work by converting light energy into electrical energy. So, if there is dirt or any other contaminant on the surface of the solar panel, it can reduce how much light is absorbed by that area, reducing efficiency. In this project, I have created an automated solar panel cleaning system which will help clean the solar panels skillfully, quickly, in line with occupational health and safety requirements with the click of a button and comfort of our home. Objects used in creating an automated system. How it works. So as you can see, the motor rotated and turned on the water. Now look closely and you'll see that as soon as it goes up and is done cleaning, the water automatically turns off. I'm just going to put some more dirt onto it so that you can see again. This entire code. So first, these two blocks at the top will turn on the pump, and then below those it will take the motor up and down again and again. And between we have used weight blocks so it does not tangle itself. You should always clean your solar panels, and thanks for watching.